In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can update your Twitch account. You can simply update your Twitch channel in just few simple steps. To do this, simply head into your App Store if you're using an iPhone, and if it's Android, just head into your Play Store. In your search bar, type in Twitch. Head into it and you will then see this option of Update. Tap on Update and it will start updating. Updating Twitch is crucial for maintaining security, performance, and compatibility with evolving technology. By staying current with updates, users benefit from the latest security patches, reducing the risk of cyber threats and ensuring a safer streaming environment. Updated ensures users can fully leverage the platform's capabilities while staying protected and enjoying the latest advancements. That's how easy it is to update your Twitch channel. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.